Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, serving you since 1981, and boy, have I got a nice surprise for you today. Coachmen Crossfit. Look at that gorgeous color. We just got it in. Let's go around and look inside. It does have a grab assist handle right here. You don't want to grab, of course, the full screen door that goes across, which latches, of course, across the way. Come here in the back. It's got 3 seat belts in the back, so you can take 5 people with you if you so desire. We've got everything all turned on, all the lights. You notice it's got some nice lighting up above, and they're all self-closing. If you want to do a little ventilation, you open this up. And then if you, gosh, I don't want any bugs to come in, then of course you'd slide that down. And if you don't want to have anybody watch, you can do the privacy curtain. Really nice. They're all the way around through the unit. Easy to operate. 110 outlet, of course you got your TV up here. You've got your light controls for here in the back. The mood lighting is up above that I showed you a little earlier. Cup holders on both sides here. This is an electric bed that makes out, and really easy for twins. If I can find the switch, touch of a switch, it folds down into twin beds. Nice and flat, very comfortable. And then of course you can take these cushions with a board fill in the center, and you've got a nice master bed. Got a little closet in here, so they made it so it has shelves, or you can remove them and just use it as a closet, which is a nice feature. Lots of overhead storage. All hardwood, all dovetailed. Refrigerator, nice refrigerator, compressor powered. Refrigerators on the top, easy to get to. They have a positive latch here in the top. And then big freezer down below. Nice size freezer. Standard microwave up above my head. Fantastic fan, which is nice. Right here in your cook area, it'll help exhaust everything. Recessed sink. Nice faucet that comes up. Always looking for a place for your garbage. Well, they've got it already in here. Little scrubbers in here. Nice big drawer. And the 2 up above. Notice all hardwood. Induction cooking. Magnetic pan. This will get warm very fast and also cool down really fast. It is not instantaneous, but it's really, really close. Another nice feature is your shower and bath area. So they already thought ahead and put soap dispensers, shampoos, body soap. Got a nice mirror that folds out. This of course is your shower head. Toilet paper cover, and a little spot here for some others that you might want to include in. A little light. And storage up on top. There are some of your privacy curtains. You'll see the rest in the back. All upper storage here. Passenger seat does swivel around. And you'll notice the nav system up top, backup camera, plenty of cup holders. There's one over there to the right by the door. There's 2 more here, and of course one on the driver's side. Plenty of place to put a hot coffee or a soda pop as you go down the road. And if you turn around, we have the Truma heating system for your furnace, as well as your hot water heater. It's a very popular system. Solar panel up on top. It shows your volt readings right here. Generator, the guys here fired it up and got at least a half an hour. We like to get 2 hours on the gen before you take it home. But because Odin wants 2 hours to make sure there's not going to be an issue once you take delivery. Awning extension, power on switch to turn it on, the light, water pump, and battery disconnect. So now I've shut down all the power to the unit. That way the battery won't be drained. We'll pop outside. Nice big entryway. Of course, CrossFit has an advantage because it's on a Ford chassis. It's offered with 2 engines, one the EcoBoost with all the turbos, and the standard model, which the standard model just rolls along really good. Plenty of test drives I've taken it on, and it's performed admirably. Electric awning that we talked about, the exhaust for your Truma heating system. Now, unlike the other ones, this is not real hot. You don't have to worry about burning your hands. It's got an outlet over here, and it's got dualies. So it's got a lot better capacity for passengers in your cargo, much more stable. Trailer hitch, all your plug hookups. Backup camera's right here. It's a wide angle this way. Nice big access to the back, and you have a privacy screen as well as a bug screen that you can operate. This, of course, covers all this up with Velcro, but down below here you have access to all your waters to turn your low point drains on right down here. So it's easy to get to. Generator exhaust, fresh water, black water flush, and of course you all know if you hook up the garden hose and turn that puppy on, you better have the black tank open and draining, or otherwise you could fill up the black tank. It's not a pretty sight. City water connections here, 110 short cord. And there was a little nozzle in the back to hook here for an outside spray nozzle. Sewer dumps down below. Does have power mirrors, tilt, telescoping steering wheel. It's a real nice unit. I know you're going to have a lot of questions, and I welcome you to give me a call directly at 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen. Pick either one and get the van guy. Appreciate your time.